special day, us, your children. And today is the day we want to show you how grateful we are for you, right? Children, for all the sleepless nights and early mornings, for being the comfort that we need, and for being that safe place that we look forward to when we go home. And so today, mothers, if you are here, we would like for you to stand up. Please stand up wherever you are. Yes, children, tell your moms, please stand up because today is your special, special day. Look at the mothers around. Yes, clap for them. They deserve it. They look so beautiful. Tinas, lolas, and mothers.
Sa mga inay, nanay, mommy, mama, kahit ano bang tawag sa inyo, isang katotohanan ang totoong totoo. Dakila ka. Thank you so much for the gifts that you are to the world. Sabi nga ni RJ Palacio, everyone in their life must have at least one standing ovation. So, to all the mothers here, you deserve all the love. Receive all the love that you will be showered and pampered today from the Lord, from your families. Palakpakan po natin